what is happening? Welcome back to my channel. We are in the west coast of Ireland. We're down in the beautiful Kerry and the view is incredible. We've got mountains around us and I can't see anything because of this rain and wind and all these clouds and mist that are coming through. Typical Irish weather. And do you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. This is what Ireland's about. But yeah, we've got all the equipment today and we're just gonna have a good outdoors day out and enjoy the weather. So let's get into it. Also guys, I just played back that clip that you just saw and I've realised the audio is going to be horrid today because of the wind. I found a bit of a sheltered spot here so it shouldn't be too bad. But look at this! Look at like, it's just a cloud. I think we're literally just in a cloud right now. This is like one of my favourite views here and you cannot see anything. But it's atmospheric, I do like it. We're here for a while so hopefully we can get back to this area and get some cool shots. For now I think we're going to get off the mountain, get back down to sort of ground level and get out of the clouds and hopefully we can start getting some of them quality shots. Them cinematics, you know, the good old favourite. This is ridiculous.
It's not really rain, it's not really proper rain though, is it? It's just like cloud.
It's mist, it's just like cloud and mist. Just telling the camera how difficult it is to film right now. Yeah,
and there's not really much to see. Like usually it's a beautiful view up here, but you can't see anything.
Can't see anything.
More than like 10 metres. It's proper Irish weather, isn't it?
If you want to come to Ireland, you also have to deal with the rain, the storms, the wind, the mist. But that's a part of it, right?
It's mountain weather.
Mountainous weather. Love it. Right, I said we're going to get off the mountain, go down, and hopefully get out of this craziness. Let's go! The wind is ridiculous, and I know for a fact that if I stand up, then it's going to cut out all of the audio on the microphone. So we look ridiculous right now and we're just hiding behind these rocks. But are you ready for this? We're going to stand up, yeah? Ready? Let's go. Whoop. Oh yeah, trying to enjoy a nice day out in the wind and rain. There's nothing more to say. I know. It's so difficult to film for more than 5 seconds. The lens just gets caked in rain, the wind just wrecks the audio, and then as soon as you like sort of hide the camera it sort of mists up and then it ruins the shot. This is probably one of the hardest vlogs we've tried to film. Also the sideways rain. Like, look at this. Here it is. Good to see you. Henry Dixon. Hello. So we've just stopped and you probably won't be able to hear me because the wind is ridiculous. But I'm going to try and lift up the drone. I probably shouldn't, it's probably super dangerous and I don't think you can hear me, so anyway, right, let's get the drone. No way. My drone went over the lake, which is just behind us, and as the drone was there, the battery started beeping. It said, you know, return to home. So I thought, better take it back. It's getting a bit windy, and the drone wouldn't fly back. So it wouldn't fly backwards because I was trying to get the pullback shot. So I said, okay. So I thought, okay, I'll fly forward to see if that works. So I flew with the wind, and it wasn't even moving. It wouldn't even go forward. And I was like, fuck, like, what do I do? So I clicked the return to home button on the controller, and instead of, you know, lifting up and then coming back to where it took off, it just started going beep, 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 just dropping down towards the lake. And yeah, just absolutely like cacked my pants. And so I cancelled the return to home, and I was like, oh, I have no idea what to do. So I scrambled my brain. The best thing I come up with is I found out that I could trim it, could go left to right like this. So I turned it like a 90 degrees angle, and I just flew it back sideways. And yeah, I managed to get it back safely. I didn't think much of it because I just thought it was battling with the wind and something just happened with it. So I've been a bit nervous since. And even earlier when I took up the drone in the wind, I noticed it is doing a similar thing. But it's not so windy at the moment, so I'm just going to do a little test flight, and I just want to see if the drone is okay. If not, then who knows. Should we have a look? Oh, I don't know. Forward. Get a bit further out just to like really see it. So backwards, forwards, left, right. See, I don't know then. I really don't know. But it is. But what I'm scared of is taking it out and then it does the same thing. So basically, I don't know what happened there. The drone seems fine. And I may as well take advantage of this right now and end the video on a high. We're going to get a nice little segment just around here, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you are new, please hit subscribe, turn on channel notifications, and we're going to go straight into this little segment now, then we'll end the video. Peace out, take care, and let's get the shots. Peace!